Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered how that refreshing bottle of juices you love so much gets from the fruit to your fridge? Today we're taking you on a fascinating journey inside the factory to see how one of your favorite drinks is made, pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice has become a popular beverage due to its delicious taste and numerous health benefits. While many enjoy fresh, homemade pomegranate juice, the demand for commercial production has led to the development of industrial pomegranate juice extractor machines. These machines are designed to efficiently process large quantities of pomegranates, allowing for the production of high-quality juice on a massive scale. Following, we will show how is pomegranate juice made industrially. The machines are a marvel of modern engineering. They are capable of processing anywhere from 500 to 3,000 kilograms of pomegranates per hour, making them an essential component of large-scale juice production facilities. Let's dive into the process of how pomegranate juice is made industrially using these machines. Step 1, washing and sorting. It all starts here in the pomegranate orchards where skilled workers handpick the ripest and juiciest fruits. The process begins with the arrival of fresh pomegranates at the juice production facility. The pomegranates are first washed to remove any dirt or contaminants. After washing, they are sorted to ensure that only high-quality ripe fruits are used. This quality control step is crucial to ensure the final product's flavor and nutritional value. Step 2, decrowning. The pomegranates are then conveyed to the decrowning station where their crowns are removed. This step is essential to prevent any bitter compounds from the crown being included in the juice. Step 3, extraction. The heart of the industrial juice making process is the extraction of the pomegranate juice. The pomegranates are conveyed to the extractor machine, where they are crushed and squeezed to release their precious juice. These machines are equipped with specialized rollers and blades designed to maximize juice extraction while minimizing waste. Yet the resulting juice is separated from the solid remains, consisting mainly of the pomegranate peels and seeds. Step 4, pasteurization. To ensure the safety and shelf life of the juice, it is pasteurized. Pasteurization involves heating the juice to a specific temperature to kill any harmful microorganisms while preserving the juice's flavor and nutritional content. After pasteurization, the juice is rapidly cooled. Step 5, filtration. The freshly squeezed juice then goes through a series of filters to remove any pulp or seeds, leaving behind pure, smooth pomegranate juice. Step 6, bottling and packaging. Once the pomegranate juice is filtered and quality checked, it is ready for bottling. Industrial facilities use automated bottling and packaging lines to fill and seal bottles or containers efficiently. Labels and other product information are added during this stage. Step 7, quality control. Quality control is a continuous process throughout the production line. Samples of the juice are regularly tested for taste, aroma, color, and safety. Any deviations from the desired quality are addressed promptly to maintain a consistent product. The machine plays a pivotal role in meeting the demand for this delicious and nutritious beverage on a large scale by efficiently processing hundreds to thousands of kilograms of pomegranates per hour. These machines have transformed the juice production industry. And there you have it. From orchard to bottle, the journey of how pomegranate juice is made in factories. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating factory tours. See you next time.